What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to share the screen recording software that I use to create my videos for the channel and for my courses. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, creating videos for the channel like this and videos for my courses, I always use the same software and I've been using that for years. And the software is called screencast-o-matic. Now if you type into Google you're going to find this page, and then it's going to be that first link just here. So what you want to do if you want to check it out is do that, then open it up in a new tab. Now with screencast-o-matic they do have a free version, but it does leave a watermark in the video in the left hand corner I think. But I use the paid version, and I'm going to go over that in just a second. Now if we scroll down to here, this is what the user face, the interface actually looks like, and you can also edit your videos. Where is it? Let's go back up. You can actually edit your videos within the software, so you don't actually need a third party another software to edit your videos, because you can record that and then edit it within screencast-o-matic, and that's one of the reasons why I like this. Now if we go over to pricing, you can see that it doesn't break the bank either. It's relatively cheap. So the Solo Deluxe is only $1.50 per month when that's billed yearly, and the Solo Premier is billed at $4 per month when billed yearly. Now they do have a lot of features as well, as you can see just here. So if we scroll down to the bottom and go just here, you can see what you get with the free features or the free version. So with the free one you can only record videos which are 15 minutes long, which is alright if you're just starting out. You can use the free version, create videos less than 15 minutes long. All my videos are less than 15 minutes long anyway, well most of them. And then you would also have the watermark on the video as well. Now this is the one that I think I pay for. I'm not too sure. I do pay yearly, and I think I pay around $15. So $15 per year for a screencast or screen recording software is not bad at all. Now if we keep scrolling through you can see all the other features that the software does have, and I highly recommend it. So I've made this video because so many people ask me what software do I actually use, or what screen recording software do I use to create my videos, and this is it. I like it because it's super simple, and I always like to keep things super simple. And it's only like $15 per year, so most people could afford this. So if you want to do a YouTube channel or create a course, I highly recommend this software. Like I said, I've been using it for a long time now. Every video I've ever created was done using this software. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.